How to get pregnant after using a family planning method. Ladies and gentlemen, if there is any, I'm gonna share with you something that is not often talked about, something that is you may not have heard about. If you've been using hormonal contraceptives, and I'm talking about the combined pills, implant, Depo, the hormonal IUD, these one way that they normally work to help prevent pregnancy, and that is they normally thin out your uterine wall. So, when the uterine wall is thinned out, that means that it makes it really hard for an embryo to implant. So, if you stop using these methods and you want to get pregnant, definitely there's a problem there if you get pregnant too soon because your uterine wall is too thinned out, and especially if you've been using these methods for quite some time, your uterine wall is so thinned out, and yes, there's a possibility of getting early miscarriages or a chemical pregnancy, things like that if you get pregnant too soon, and especially if you've used these hormonal methods for quite some time. So, what would I advise if you want to get pregnant after using family planning methods, especially the hormonal methods? It is good to give your body ample time to recover, give your endometrium, your uterine wall, ample time to recover and go back to its usual size. Like, give your body enough time for your natural estrogen to build up your uterine wall so that implantation is possible and so that you can minimize the risks of getting miscarriages, chemical pregnancies, things like that. So, what is the timeline? The timeline, I would say 3 to 6 months. And the one thing that I highly advocate is if you've been using these hormonal contraceptives, it is also good to detox your body so that you can get rid of these synthetic hormones and so that your natural hormones can start functioning properly. So, if you're interested in this natural detox method, it is just by using natural ingredients. Just click the link there on my bio, and if you're watching this from YouTube, check the link on my description. Get it, cleanse your body of these synthetic hormones, and then give your body at least 3 months. But if you've been using something like Depo, it is good to wait for at least 6 months, and especially if you've been using these ones for quite some time. So that is what I would highly advise. I know this is not a common advice, but it happens. And if you take this as it should, then you should be able to get pregnant and carry your pregnancy to term with minimal to no interruptions. And I'm not saying that everybody can get a miscarriage. No, this is not what I'm saying. There are some women who stop using birth control methods and they conceive and they carry the pregnancy to term quite easily. This is because naturally how their hormones are balanced is really well. So if your hormones, of course, after using a hormonal birth control method, and especially for a very long time, of course, your hormonal balance is not going to be that good. So it is good to give your body ample time to recover. I would say 3 months on average, but if you've been using something like the Depo, take more time, at least 6 months, for your uterine wall to adjust to normal size, to go back to its normal size, so that implantation and the normal growing, nurturing of a pregnancy can be optimum, and so that you can be able to carry your pregnancy to term. Be sure to follow this channel. Be sure to subscribe and follow so that you don't have to miss any of such amazing content. And be sure to also get your detox.